I said, I might cry today. Yeah, yeah. Oh my Lord, I can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie. I said, oh my Lord, I might cry. I said, praise her high, you don't lie. I don't lie. I might cry today. Cry today. I said, oh my Lord, I might cry today. Cry today. I said, oh my Lord, I might cry. Oh my Lord, I might cry. There's so much on my mind. There's so much on my mind. On my mind. When I wake up in the morning, I don't like to say good morning. Good night. Good night. Cause I'm rejoicing every day, little baby, I'm not mourning. I'm not. I praise her high, you don't lie. I'm not on drugs, I feel high. With meekness, I'm gon' walk by. I feel the stress, leave my mind. Leave my mind. Lord, I can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie. I said, oh my Lord, I might cry. I said, praise her high, you don't lie. I don't lie. I might cry today. Cry today. I said, oh my Lord, I might cry today.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back. It is a new week, and I was able to, the post office came to pick up. I have the window open again, just so you know. The post office came to pick up the customer's package today. I almost missed him. I opened the door, he was like, this is my third time knocking. I was about to leave. I was like, oh no, thank you for not leaving. He was really nice. I was in the back with the kids eating breakfast. Just have oatmeal, and I give them an egg and stuff. But yeah, that's good. When I paid for the shipping label, I put Tuesday as the shipping date because I wasn't sure how it worked. I called them this morning and they said it was fine if I put Tuesday. They're gonna ship it today. It'll just be shipped early. So I was like, okay, cool, perfect. So he's like, that doesn't really matter. It'll just get shipped today. So I was like, okay, cool, that's perfect. I also called earlier to see what time they would actually be here to pick it up because this is my first time like doing it this way. So I wanted to, normally I would just go to the post office and do it. I just wanted to know like around what time do they normally get over here. So they told me it was cool, all good, good time. What time did they actually come? It's probably around 11 o'clock. I don't know. I forgot. I'd have to look it up later to see. But, sorry, my lips are chappity. I don't have anything for my lips right now. It's not in here. Sorry, you have to look at my chapped lips. So the package is sent. It's out for shipment. I text the customer to let them know that it has been picked up and it will be shipped today instead of tomorrow. That's what I was told. I told them that's what I was told. So hopefully the customer gets their package in a timely manner. I think what I paid for is for like 3 days. 3 days, they'll get it in 3 days or something like that. So I hope they do. I pray they do, and I pray that they love it and enjoy it and love wearing it and rock it and send me some pictures, please, so I can post it on social media for more images. But yeah, so today pretty much I have my children decided to come in here when I wasn't looking, and they've decided to give me more work to do, just a little bit, not too much, but they decided to give me some work to do. They did this, you know, a little extra. Well, not this, but the stuff behind it, like that, you know. I got my old planner and opened it up and threw stuff everywhere, and yeah, hopefully they didn't rip any of my small pattern pieces that I had for something, so I'm gonna have to look through that and double check and see. I already have to clean off my table from getting the packages and stuff together, and getting the package sent, getting the package together that was sent, and then on top of getting the pattern together for the next customer. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to just start working on the pattern if I have enough time. So it shouldn't take me that long to clean up, but I have to go make sure I go check on the kids and stuff like that. So yeah, but I hope you guys are having a great day, a great morning, a great noonday, good evening, good afternoon, should I have said, you know, wherever you are, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna get started so I can get this day going. I've been feeling weird. I've been feeling okay. Usually in the mornings when I don't know, my body's been, I've been feeling all over weird. Some days I can eat some things, and then other days baby's like, no, I don't want this. What do you mean you don't want it? Sometimes I'm good, other times I'm nauseous. Sometimes I'm good, sometimes I throw up. So, fun stuff. But nonetheless, I just hope and pray for a blessed and safe pregnancy and delivery of this baby, whatever it may be, boy or girl. But right now, baby's letting me feel okay. I'm good enough to, I'm not having no headaches or nothing, so make sure I stay up on my water and my fluids and whatnot. And let me get this going, alright? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching and stuff. I really appreciate it. Please continue to please share on your stories or whatever, whenever the vlogs come out, or past vlogs, share those too, you know. Share them, and yeah, I'm gonna get started.
I said, oh my Lord, I might cry. Oh my Lord, I might cry. There's so much on my mind. There's so much on my mind. When I wake up in the morning, I don't like to say good morning. Good night. Cause I'm rejoicing every day.
Not even above my ability. With that good food and payment, I give the most high praises of my life so great. Life so great. I could have never complained in thanks and praise. Life so great. I could have never complained. My life so great. Life so great. I could have never complained in thanks and praise. Life so great. I could have never complained. No. The greatest thing in life is to have good health and strength. And everything that you need will always fall in place. So once you have a life, then you have hope. Don't forget to be thankful. Almost I'm so grateful. Grateful. You make my life so great. Life so great. I could have never complained. Give thanks and praise. Life so great. I could have never complained. My life so great. Life so great. I could have never complained. Give thanks and praise. Life so great. I could have never complained. Well, see right now I'm trying to complain, young.
Baby, I'm not mourning. I praise a higher, don't I? I'm not on drugs, I feel high. With meekness, I'm gon' walk by. I feel the stress leave my mind, leave my mind. Lord, I can't lie to you. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie to you. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie. I said, oh my Lord, I can't lie. I said, oh my Lord, I might cry. I said, praise the high, you don't lie. I don't lie. I might cry today.
Hey y'all, so I'm way past my time. It just kind of flew right by me. I'm thirsty. Time kind of just flew by. But I finished pretty much drafting the back of the skirt pattern. I have to do the ruffles part to make it into a ruffle, and then I should be done. I should be done after doing the ruffles. I'm probably not gonna get to that today. No, you messing up already. Look, I should be done. What was I saying? I don't remember now. I'm pretty much done with the front and back. I have to do the ruffle part. I need to cut this out. I want to double check measurements, well, triple check measurements, and then get going with the actual material. So I'm trying to see if I should, with the lining, if I should just have that go all the way down instead of having it cut off at a certain point right before the ruffle parts, or if I should include the lining in with the ruffle parts so that the inside of the ruffle parts isn't showing. I can try it out, see how it looks. I just don't want to add any extra work that it doesn't need to be added if not necessary. However, I'm thinking it'll make it look neater on the inside. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I got going on. But I'm going to go get them ready for naps because I know they're sleepy. Somebody's playing gospel music walking by. I don't know the song, but it sounds familiar. Yeah, I'm gonna go get them down for naps. I'm gonna eat me something. Hubby got me Chipotle. What was that? 2 days ago, Saturday night. He got me some Chipotle Saturday night because your girl be craving it sometimes. He got us the brisket this time. I like to get the burrito bowl, and he likes to get just the regular burrito wrapped. And he went fancy and got us the brisket. Actually, it's pretty good. It's not bad. I like it. He likes it too. It has a little spice to it. He doesn't like too much spice, but he likes it. So that's good for him. I like spice. I don't mind spice. And he also, I think he made me some chicken sausage with potatoes last night before he went to bed. So that's going to be part of my first or second lunch, as well as the Chipotle. So if you're watching, babe, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. This pregnant lady really appreciates it because I get tired of cooking. I like literally, after cooking, I'm tired. I need to recover for like 2 days, and I need to cook dinner today. So me not having to cook that, my lunch and dinner. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat that. So I'm gonna eat one of those things right now, and then eat one of the other of the things after I take a little nap. So you need to blow your nose? Okay, hold on. I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If there's anything that you guys would like to see less of, want to see me do, like, please let me know, because I don't know. So I should probably ask the audience that watch what they would like. So I'm asking, please leave them down in the comments so I can see them. Yes, so I can see them and I can go over them and try to do as many of them as best as I can with the time I have, especially with this pregnancy right now. So baby, I know, and yes, I know. I'll be there in a second. Please like, share, and subscribe this content, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Alright, bye guys. Mwah.
So much on my mind. There's so much on my mind. On my mind. When I wake up in the morning, I don't like to say good morning. Good night. Good night. 'Cause I'm rejoicing every day, little baby. I'm not mourning. I praise a higher, don't I? I'm not on drugs, I feel high. With meekness, I'm gonna walk by.
today.